Hello guys, oh crap, ignore this. Alright, so this is the thing for the day that I really like. And my friend just texted me. Oh yeah, we don't talk anymore like we used to do. Oh my god, that was weird. Okay, so, I'm joining my friend and Annie. Is this what you were talking about? This what you were talking about? Alright, join my game. Join my new game. Yeah. Oh my god. And yeah. So before I start everything, I'm gonna move this from my desk. I'm confident without a face cam, so bear with me guys. What was it? I have a new thing that I really like. Do you think I should put it as... Oh. Anyway, discomfort. Should I keep it as my thing and then just like say that this I got off of the internet? I'm gonna see who it's by. Now, as you can see, there's loads like this. I tried to draw it. I suck at drawing. And this is weird too. And this. That's cute, right? Yeah, cute. Yeah, cute. Okay. So, just gonna, like, play around with my friend Hitsy Girl, Annie, and she's quite cool, I must say. I need to think of an intro. Just playing Adopt Me. Wow, I thought we were playing Roblox in high school. I love Roblox in high school. This is a good game too, but Roblox in high school and parkour are my favourite games. Rip. just gonna have a drink. So if you hear any weird sounds or like me doing weird things with my arms, if you could hear that it's because I'm like moving my arms around because I want to use a face cam, but I feel awkward because I just move my hands around. And yeah. Oh my god, I have two families. I'm in 2 families. So, but yay, we're family. So wait, hey, yay, we're in family. Oh my god, I'm so far. So, do you know, because in this game I might say lol, but I'm not actually laughing. People do that, so just, yeah. So, do you know when people say lol or lemao, and then they're not actually laughing? Like, seriously. I don't know why people do that, but I do that. Please don't tell the internet police. Okay, I'm just going weird, so I'm just gonna play this. I'm just gonna do my avatar. And yeah, I do have a cold, but like, so yeah, I'm just gonna fart. Ignore that. I'm gonna be a little baby. Oh crap. Ooh. Why am I in family? Why am I in that family? Why does everybody want me in their family? Why? I don't want to have, I don't want anyone to be anyone else. I'm except from Annie's. Yay. I'm gonna ride on her back. This is so cute. Like, it looks like I have a horse tail or something. It looks like that's coming out of my butt. Oh my god. Anyway, she's flawless and I'm dope. It's the dope and flawless family. But I don't have my dope thing on, so rip. Anyway, I'm gonna boost all of this for her. Yeah. So I just boosted it, and this is quite awkward. I hope I get pocket money. The more pocket money I get, the more times I boost that. Wait, what is this? Oh, yay! Yay! Oh, this is my best, this is, yay! Best mammy ever. Except from my real life. my real life parents. I don't know, they're the best. But if Annie was my sister, then that would be the best too. Yeah, she's like, whoa, wait, Teddy. This is so cute. I love this Teddy. Yeah. Oh. Someone said, yeah, Lily. What's going on? This is scary. Oh my jeez. Lily Jarvis. That's weird. Okay. Sorry if you can't hear me. Oh. This is going to be a surprise to her because she's subscribed to both on my channels. So, if you friend me, then thingy, oh my god, she's like, yay, lol, on top of it, on me in the same day. So, oh my god. So yeah, like I said lol now. And I went like that. Like now I just said lol. Yeah, I'm gonna get this. So it's like I didn't do anything. So I'm gonna get guys, so about my new YouTube channel name, do you like it? What? So, if you friend me, I will friend you back, and we could do role plays like these, and you might get to meet Annie. I'm gonna use Annie as like a prize for everything, and like for competitions, I'm gonna be like, you get to meet Annie. Just kidding. And I have another best friend I know in real life, Kim the brunette. Oh my god. So, yeah, we're just like playing, and this was just a quick video showing you what I normally do. I just play with my best friend, me. And yeah, I might upload the video soon, and I'm gonna tell her, and she's gonna be like, okay, I'll watch it, because, oh yay! I'm getting carried away in this video now. Sorry. Okay, so bye guys, and I hope you enjoyed. And you might find me on the game Parkour or Roblox in high school. So if you want, you can join me if you're my friend. And yeah, bye guys. Never mind. Yeah, bye.